Have you ever had a goal you were super excited about, but instead of completing the actions to fulfill it, you were stuck on social media, being lazy, watching movies, scrolling on TikTok, or simply procrastinating? Even though you're so excited about a goal and about becoming a person you want to be, you're still procrastinating. And it's not because you're lazy or not talented enough or not good enough. It's because there is a blockage of energy. Procrastination is simply a blockage of energy. So in today's video, I'm going to be telling you guys a little bit more about procrastination and defining it so you have a clear understanding of what procrastination is. And then also giving you guys 3 tips to shift your identity so that you stop procrastinating and become who you want to be and accomplish everything you want to right after this video. So I want to start off by redefining procrastination because a lot of people will say that procrastination is bad time management or weak willpower, but actually procrastination is a blockage of energy because procrastination is a disconnect. It's like a conflict between your identity, which is who you are right now, versus who you want to be and the person or who you need to be. So basically who you are right now doesn't align with what you want to be. So then the actions that you need to take to complete this goal, to become your dream person, to lose the weight, to do whatever you want to do, the actions aren't going to come. And because you're still aligned with this person that's not this, you're going to keep procrastinating because procrastination is this gap. Procrastination is literally the gap between who you are right now versus who you want to be. So if you define procrastination, like I just said, about being the gap between who you want to be and who you are right now, then all you have to do is shift your identity. So now I'm going to give you guys 3 tips or 3 steps to take so that you can stop procrastinating and reach your goals already. Because I know you want to be that dream person. I know you want to accomplish your goals. I know you want to so bad within, and it's easy. But this like little gap is stopping you, and you feel like this gap of procrastination is so hard. But I'm going to break it down with 3 steps so you become already, because you can do it. So my first tip or my first step, like I said, because it's more of an identity problem, the first thing you need to do is to fix your identity. But in order to fix your identity, you need to become aware of who you are right now. That means you need to be honest with yourself. Awareness is the key to transmutation. Awareness is the key to change. Awareness is the first step to everything in your life that you want to accomplish. But the problem is a lot of people aren't aware of who they are right now, and that's why they lack the ability to stop procrastinating, because they say, I want to go to the gym and I want to lose 20 pounds and I want to go to the gym every single day, 5 days a week. But right now you are a chubby, fat, lazy person. And if you are this, then this person doesn't identify with going to the gym 5 times a week, with going to eat healthy all the time. Like if you are still this person, then your mind is going to be thinking about fast food. It's going to be thinking about laying on the couch. And you have to be honest with yourself. You have to say, although I want to be this, right now I am this. So you need to stop. Literally, you might say you want to become this, but you still look at yourself in the mirror and you're still calling yourself fat. You still look at yourself in the mirror and you're insecure. You need to like literally fake, or not fake, because it's not even about faking. It's literally about becoming within first so that the outside aligns with the actions. Like actions are going to be the vehicle, but first you need to align within. So literally look at yourself in the mirror and say, I am a healthy person. I love my body. It's not lying to yourself. It's about shifting your identity. So shift your identity within. And once you start accepting that you are a healthy person, regardless of what you look like, a healthy person wants to go to the gym. A healthy person doesn't want to eat fast food because she feels sick afterwards. A healthy person works out, goes on walks. A healthy person does this. And when you align yourself with a healthy person identity, then the actions come easy. You won't be procrastinating going to the gym because a healthy person goes on walks regularly without having to try. And the problem is right now you're trying to force a fat, chubby, lazy person. And I'm using this as an example, but this is the same if you want to go from broke to rich, if you want to go from unhealthy marriage to healthy marriage, like from whatever you want to go to, you need to start by shifting the identity now, because who you are right now isn't going to be the person that takes the actions that you need to become this dream person. So you need to become this dream person first so that the actions come easily, and then it's just a natural flow. Like I said, procrastination is a blockage of energy because who you are right now doesn't align with what you need to do. So the first step and the first thing you need to do is shift your identity. But in order to do that, you need to become aware of who you are right now with cruel, true, real honesty. My second tip or my second step to stop procrastination is to shift your mindset from outcome to action. The problem is right now you want, and outcome. Like you literally say, I want to be a skinny person. I want to write a book. Like for example, I want to write a book, but that outcome seems extremely hard. How am I going to publish it? How am I going to start it? What am I going to do? That like overwhelms my brain. And then I get like almost scared, or like, it's just too much. So I procrastinate on the actions because it feels overwhelming. But if you shift your mindset from outcome to action, and like the action is just what you need to do in the moment, it becomes easy. Like today, I need to write 10 pages for my book. Writing 10 pages today is so much easier, or will become easier for my brain to process than me telling myself I need to write a book in a month. Like literally plan out your things through actions, not outcomes. So like, I'm gonna go to the gym for 30 minutes today. Don't say I need to become a skinny person in 30 days, because then you'll be overwhelmed and the actions are gonna seem harder than they actually are. The thing is, if you it's almost like breaking a goal down into smaller so it's not overwhelming. So my second tip to stop procrastinating is to shift your mindset from outcome to action so that the actions aren't overwhelming and they are easier to complete. And finally, my third tip is kind of a combination of the two, but it involves specific deadlines. In order to like stop procrastinating, you need to be having checkups on yourself that have rewards and penalties. Like literally check up with yourself every week, every night, every month. Like you need to be checking up on yourself to see that your identity is one that you want. So that like, you need to be constant checkups. Like, was I nice to myself today? Did I talk to myself like a healthy person? Did I do the actions necessary today? Check up on yourself, and then also have deadlines. Like within today, I want to do this and this and this. It's almost like to-do lists, because to-do lists or deadlines, or like just like having checkups, will make you stop procrastinating, because you will feel bad, or you will have like a penalty in your mind if you don't complete the action. It's like, we're humans with egos, and we work almost like being trained. Like the brain can literally be trained. So train yourself through reward and penalty. Like train yourself to not procrastinate by scheduling deadlines and checkups and having accountability check-ins, so that you feel good about yourself when you check in with yourself and you're like, I did that. Because when you don't and you procrastinate, you're going to feel bad. So the next time you won't procrastinate. So shift your identity, shift your mindset from outcome to action. And then third, have checkups or deadlines, or have like accountability check-ins. And with those three, I promise you will stop procrastinating, and the gap between who you are right now with who you want to be will close, and you will become your dream person, and all your goals will become accomplished so easily, because action just flows, because your energy is flowing and there are no blockages that procrastination causes. And I know after this video, you're going to become everything you want to be, because it is that easy. So I will catch you guys in my next video when you guys are 10 times better after this video. Adios.